Hello everyone, welcome to Genius Classes. Today we will see how to write any table from 10 to 99. So suppose I have to write the table of 38. We'll first write the table of 3 below 3. 3 ones are 3, 6, 9, 3 fours are 12, 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 7s are 21, 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30. Now we will write the table of 8 below 8. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72 and 8 10s are 80. Now since the first digit of both the table is a single digit number, so we will write them as it is 38. Now for the second digit we will add 6 plus 1 which is 7 and write the last digit 6 as it is. Similarly 9 plus 2 is 11 and write the last digit 4 as it is. 12 plus 3 is 15, last digit 2 as it is. 15 plus 4 is 19 and the last digit 0 as it is. 18 plus 4 is 22, 8 as it is. 21 plus 5 is 26 and last digit 6 is written as it is. 24 plus 6 is 30, 4 as it is. 27 plus 7 is 34, 2 as it is. And 30 plus 8 is 38 and the last digit 0 is written as it is. So in this way we can write any table from 10 to 99. Thank you.